Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Sagittarius placements. This is your money and love reading ngayong June. Okay, so yeah, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, again, kung may tanong pagdating po sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin sa ating mga items, okay? Sa ating mga charms. So, protection from evil eye, yes, we will have ring. Meron tayong bracelets and necklace. Okay? So, yung necklace natin, madalang kong ipakita. So, ganito siya. Okay? So, yan. Ganyan siya. So, as you can see, maliit lang yung kanyang pendant. So, this is unisex, by the way. And, meron siyang extender, ha? Doon po sa chain. Non-tarnish, hypoallergenic po. No, yung ating necklace. And, syempre, yung ating 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. Okay? So, meron siyang citrine stone. Meron dyan, ito, yung mga yellow, that's citrine. So, that's money magnet. Okay? Money magnet po ha, ang citrine. So, inilagay lang namin dito para syempre, hindi lang love ang makuha. Okay? So, this is, sabihin nating, pang babae lang. Pero, kung gusto mo, ikaw kumuha, ikaw lalaki, pwede mo to yung ilagay sa red pouch. Okay? I need your full name. I need your real name. Okay? So, ayoko nung screen name mo, ayoko nung nickname mo, kung ano man, tawag sa'yo ng ibang tao. So, I need your real name. Okay? Kapag itong purchase mo. And, syempre, kung ikaw, may ganito ka na, okay, advice ko is samahan mo ng evil eye protection. Okay? So, para kung ano man yung mga nakukuha nito, mga na-manifest nitong good energies is hindi nasisira ng mga taong nag-evil eye sa'yo. Okay? So, again, this is for love and money. So, ganyan siya. Okay? Ganyan siya. This is so nice. Oo. Nice nito. For money and love. Okay? So, there. And again, yung ating granter necklace. So, si granter is yung taga-grant lamang po, ha, ng mga minamanifest. So, again, katulad nitong ating love and money bracelet, kailangan din niya ng protection. Okay? Which is evil eye protection. Ang poprotektahan is yung mga minamanifest mo para hindi po mag-grant ni granter yung mga nasira na, okay? Maproteksyonan, oo, yung inyong mga minamanifest. Parang may shield, oo, mula dun sa mga taong nagbibigay ng evil eye sa inyo. Para 100% makuha, mag-grant ni granter. Kasi kahit anuman yung mga namamanifest ninyo, kung nasisira man, ika-grant pa rin niya. Okay? So, yun po, ha? And again, this is made to order. Unisex. Okay, yung ating granter necklace. And syempre, si cord cut, o yung ating tagatanggal MALAS, oo, yung tagatanggal alat, tagatanggal bigat, no, sa ating mga energy. So, yeah, yun lamang, yun lang ang pinaka simpleng tawag dyan, keyword, oo, for our cord cut, tagatanggal MALAS, diba? So, yeah. Okay. Let's see. What's for you, Sagittarius placements? This is for June. So, tingnan natin ano pa bang meron pagdating sa kaperahan mo ngayong June. Okay? So, money muna and then the person on your mind. Okay. Sagittarius. Sag. Let's see. Okay. The Devil in reversed. Okay, the Six of Wands. This is nice. This is so nice. So, yung energy is some of you, ikaw ito may evil eye protection. So, we have here the Devil in reverse, the Six of Wands. So, people will notice you. Okay? So, sa workplace, business mo, okay, ikaw itong pwedeng magkaroon ng maraming customers, clients if ever, projects, opportunities. Okay? So, because yeah, Oh, okay, this is death in reverse. So I think, ang tingin ko sa kanya, devil ha. Devil in reverse. So this is death in reverse. So I think, yeah, may mga pagbabago na pwedeng maalis. Mga pagbabago na pwedeng dumating at may mga iaalis na mga hindi na magandang energy. Okay, kasi hindi ko alam bakit devil yung nakita ko rito. So kung ano man yung mga toxic na sabihin nating naka-attach sa inyo nitong mga nakaraan, may mga mababago. Okay? In general. So, yeah, pagdating sa kaperahan. So, pwedeng sa work mo, sa business mo, kung saan ka man kumikita. Okay? So, next. What else? Sagittarius, pagdating sa kanilang mga finances. Oo. Let's see. Sag. Okay. The Nine of Pentacles. Abundance. The Nine of Pentacles. That is pre-empress mode. No? The pre-empress mode. So, may chance ng abundance. Pera. Okay? Nine of Pentacles. The Eight of Swords. Okay. Let's see. Some of you has this blockages. Yeah, the Knight of Pentacles. Alam ko na. Okay. So, Sag, this is an advice. Para magkaroon ka ng abundance, if ever wala. Okay. Para magkaroon ka ng pagtaas or pag-increase sa iyong pera, kailangan mong magkaroon ng ibang strategy. Some of you kasi you're stuck. You're stuck sa kung anong meron. Okay. Stuck ka sa kung anong nakasanayan nyo lang pagdating sa pamimera. The Eight of Swords. This could be the sabihin nating hindrance, no, na nakakaapekto sa pananalapi ng iba sa inyo. Okay? So, may chance na talagang pending or talagang flatline yung inyong pamemera. Kailangan pong ialis sa cycle or sa routine. Kailangan pong may maiba. Okay? The Eight of Swords. Pwedeng nakasanayan nyo kung ano man. Yeah, the Hierophant in reverse. Magkaroon rin, if ever, ng another, sabihin nating source. Okay? Kung kaya. Another source of income. Okay? So, some of you, may chance na pwedeng magkakaroon ng plano sa pagkakaroon ng ibang source ng income. So, let's see what else. What else? Iba sa inyo, ito specific po ha, yung meron ditong alam ninyong candidate kayo sa na pwedeng ma-hired or pwedeng ma-promote, meron ditong na may personal. Okay? Hindi nila tinatransact or pinoprocess yung inyong kailangan i-process. Okay? I don't know. Bakit niya pinepending to? Could be your boss or somebody na pwedeng leader. Okay, na may personal siya, I think. That's specific. I'm talking to someone here. Okay? So, what else? Kasi ang nakukuha ko is power trip. Yeah, power trip. So, ano pang meron for you, Sag? Temperance. So, that's you. That's your energy. Having balance, no? So, balansehin ang pamemera. Magkaroon ng pagbabago kung kailangan. Okay? Limitation, some of you. Ano tong temperance? Page of Cups in reverse. Let's see, ano yung Page of Cups in reverse. Kung kayo itong parang meron kayong dating like ginugusto, oo, parang, oops, wait lang, dyan ka muna, titingnan ko kung kakailanganin pa kita. Mga ilang araw ang makalipas, mga ganyan, no? Page of Cups in reverse. Yeah, and the Queen of Pentacles. Okay. Some of you, ikaw to mag-i-invest pagdating sa health mo. Okay? Ikaw to mag-i-invest pagdating sa health. Yeah, that's specific. Pwede ka mag-enroll sa gym, something like that, to improve your health, mga ganyan. So, that's another message for you. Okay. So, next. The person on your mind. Let's see. The person on Sagittarius mind. Ang nakuha ko dito, kumuha daw ako 2 or 3 energies for you, Sag. Okay? 2 or 3 energies. Let's see. So, sino ba to? Anong meron? Who is this? Oh my gosh. Who is this? Date of Funds Universe. So, ito yung taong hindi mo kausap ngayon, Sag. Okay? Could be blockages or hindi lang talaga maganda yung communication nyo in general. So, let's see. Pwedeng you're in no contact. Okay? Or maybe hindi lang talaga consistent yung communication nyo with this person. Anong meron? Anong kailangan mong malaman? 2 of Wands. Okay, some of them, they have options. Yeah. They're like on a crossroads, no? Parang ganyan. Do they like you? Let's see. Do they like you? Some of you, talagang talagang marami lang option itong taong to. So, do they like you? The Queen of Pentacles Universe. Some of them, they just need you. Every time, like sabihin natin, whenever they need you, parang ganyan, doon lang nila ikaw kakailanganin. So, there's no emotions involved here. Okay? So, some of you itong taong to, kakaalis lang sa isang connection and they're trying to move on and ikaw yung ginagamit niya. I'm sorry. Okay? So, they're giving you, sabihin natin hot and cold. O pagdating sa emosyon niya. Okay? Feeling mo option ka. Some of you, alam mo na itong taong to is meron siyang somebody from their past na hindi pa rin totally mapag-detach yan. Okay? So, there. So, what else? What else? Ano pang meron? Connections. Connections. Who is this, Sag? Who is this? Anong kailangan mo malaman? So, sino to? The King of Wands. So, you're interested in them. Okay, interesado ka sa taong to. Some of them, they're like good looking. Okay, whether babae, lalaki, kung naman ang gender niya, they're good looking. Judgment in reversed. Could be a Scorpio. Fire with water. Anyway, some of you, itong taong ito, sabihin nating nakitaan mo ng dark side. Okay, yeah, the Knight of Wands. Nakitaan mo siya ng dark side. I don't know, pwedeng may pagka-flirt, playful, something like that. Okay, so ano emosyon niya for you? Let's see. Some of them feeling mo guarded sila or hindi ka totally maka-enter sa energy nila or sila pagdating sa'yo. So, ano emosyon niya for you? The 5 of Swords. Yeah, they're giving you mixed signals. They're giving you mixed signals. Bakit? Anong meron? The Moon in reversed. Oh, the Queen of Wands in reverse. Some of them, they have, insecurities, a lot. Okay? Or maybe ikaw ito pagdating sa kanya. That is why. Yung parang, nandun yung takot mo, stress mo, kung ano man, pag-overthink mo pagdating sa kanya. Yeah, the Page of Swords. They're watching you, I think. Or maybe you're watching them. There's this, energy of curiosity pareho sa inyo pagdating sa connection na to. I don't know, some of you hindi pa kayo nagkakaroon ng romantic connection or talagang open connection or communication with this person. Pero yeah, andoon yung signal na parang there's something. Okay? There's something. So, hindi ko nakikitaan na itong taong ito is magiging open pagdating sa emotion sa'yo. Some of them, mayroong tendency na parang gusto nila ma-attach ka sa kanya. Okay? Or siya sa'yo, ikaw sa kanya. Parang ganyan. Okay? So, this is like, mind games. Mind games with this person. What else? Next. Some of you, this could be sa workplace. Okay? Ito nakikita ko sa second. Pwede sa workplace. Pwedeng katrabaho mo siya. A boss, maybe. Okay? So, what else? What else? May nakuha din ako dito. This, hindi nyo kailangang kunin lahat. So, every time na may nakikita akong message, sasabihin ko. Okay, so, itong taong to, some of you, alam mong kasal siya. And there's no chance pagdating sa kanya. Okay, there's these conflicts. Okay, pwedeng ang nakikita ko lang dito na pwedeng may provide niya sa'yo is sadness. Okay, sadness, paghihintay, stress. Okay, yeah, the 8 of Swords. Feeling stuck. I'm sorry. Kahit gusto mo siya or maybe gusto ka niya, ganun lang eh. Kung alam nyo may third party involved. There's no open door of opportunity for them or sa situation nyo. Okay, let's see what else. Sino pa itong nasa isip mo ngayon, Sagittarius? Sino pa ito? Okay, the Fool in reverse could be a new person. Okay, could be an Aries, fire sign like you. The Fool in reverse, they're over-planning. Some of them, they like to over-plan. Okay, I'm hearing playing safe. Somebody's playing safe. I don't know. Page of Cups, yeah. Okay, so they have interest, no, sa'yo. Pero they're over-planning. I don't know why. Some of them, maybe takot sila. Okay, na mag-approach sa'yo. Yeah, this is new. The Ace of Cups. New person. May interested sa inyo. Pwedeng Aries, water sign, or yeah, big water sign placements, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Pwedeng sa workplace din to, the Three of Pentacles, or somewhere na pwedeng consistent mo na pinupuntahan. Could be a gym. Okay? Yung consistent, sabihin natin mas madalas. Oo, parang ganyan. Or everyday. Okay? So, itong taong to, they have something. They like you, I think. Pero, nag-overplan to, itong taong to. Some of them, they're an overthinker. So, let's see. Paano malaman na siya to? So, may chance na wala ka pang idea pagdating sa kanya. Or pwedeng ikaw to na may idea. Pero, tingnan natin. Anong meron sa kanya? Provide lang tayo ng clarification. Ten of Pentacles. Some of them, they have money. They have money. Okay? Or kung alam mo naman na wala silang ganon, some of them, sabihin nating meron silang past, like family, sariling family. Okay, yeah, the 8 of Cups in reverse. Or pwedeng may mga issue pagdating sa family niya. Okay? Family. Anyway, so what is their emotion? Let's see. Yeah, aside sa gusto ka, next action na lang. Let's see. What is their next action towards you, Sag? Okay. The 9 of Cups. So, some of them, yun nga, the 10 of Pentacles is here. Kung alam mong may pera to, they will provide something for you. Could be present, material things, something na pwedeng magpapa-saya sa'yo. Magbibigay ng happiness. Okay? So, wow. Nice. Okay. Again, Temperance. So, I'm seeing here balance, no? This is you. This is your energy. Yeah, the Ace of Wands. May chance itong connection na to na mag-click. Okay? I'm hearing, sabihin nating new love, new chance, parang ganyan for some of you. Yeah, there's this new person coming in, no, sa inyo mga Sagittarius ngayong June. Okay, so mayroon akong mga binigay na signs, okay, kung anong meron dun sa person. Okay, pwede may pera sila, yung mga sinabi ko kanina. Okay, so pwedeng, yeah. Anyway, so there. So let's see, doon na tayo sa all signs, Aries through Pisces for you, Sag. Okay. Again, yeah, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? Let's see, Sag. Okay. Oh my. Struggle. Aries, true Pisces. Yung ating second YouTube channel, don't forget na ating i-visit. Oh, nasa description box below ang link. Okay, Aries, true Pisces. Aries, so nawawala yung passion. Nawawala yung passion niya sa'yo. Or kagustuhan. Taurus, they're interested sa something na bago. Okay, some of them, they want to hear from you. They want your attention, some of them. Gemini, there is this energy of endings or changes, could be sa pakikitungo rin, okay? So, Cancer, they're hiding. Some of them, they're looking for you, pero they're hiding. Leo, oh, panghinayang, the one that got away, may ganun ako nakikita. Virgo, unfinished business. Libra, so there's this issue, okay, conflicts, mind games, head games. Scorpio, feeling nila na backstab mo siya, feeling nila tinataguan mo siya, pwedeng flip yung energy, okay? Some of them, they want to heal. Sagittarius, they're over, I don't know, like, sabihin natin self-centered. Some of them, they're hiding something, like they're into same gender. That's not for all. May nakuha ko somebody na this Sagittarius is into same gender connection, same gender relationship. That's not for all, okay? Capricorn, you're moving on. Aquarius, okay, so ayaw na nila ng tension, ayaw na nila ng blockages, they want something new, they want something pwedeng simulan muli, o parang ganyan. So Pisces, they're trying to avoid the separation. Some of them, they want a repeat, okay, a repeat or a cycle with you. Yeah, the Two of Cups, Universe, they're sad actually, they are, yeah, some of them, they want to communicate. Okay, so there, yun ang aking reading for you, Sagittarius placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our every page. Thank you. Goodbye.